Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure iCloud is ready. Sign into your Apple ID, then enable iCloud services for the apps you care about. Once done, turn on iCloud Backup and choose what to include: photos, app data, and device settings, because that determines what syncs up to Apple servers. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and the phone has sufficient charge or is plugged in. Otherwise, the backup will pause and the process won't complete. Now you manage what actually flows to the cloud and why. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to inspect storage use. If you're near capacity, upgrade to a larger plan so new items can upload. Next, control per app sync and manage storage so large app caches don't consume your quota. For photos, enable Optimize iPhone storage so originals stay in iCloud and space-saving versions remain on the device. This balances access and local free space automatically. To finish, restore or verify the content you backed up. When resetting or setting a new iPhone, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the correct snapshot. This reinstates apps, settings, and data. After restoration, confirm uploads and timestamps in the Files app or at iCloud. Calm to ensure everything arrived. If syncing stalls, try the usual fixes. Toggle iCloud for the app, sign out and back into your Apple ID, reboot the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.